It was really 3, right?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay.
I'm really concerned that time is more important than quality. So, and all these sprint things, what about we will be finished in 4 days? And I've never heard you say you will do it again and again and again to reach quality, but for me this is one of the biggest issues.
Yeah.
How do you sell this and how do you make sure that you actually reach quality even if you only have 4 days? And you might not be able to actually research enough or the right research.
So my answer to this really is, it's not hard for us to sell speed to these companies that we work with. Like doing something a lot faster. This is part of the question, how do you sell it? The type of companies I think we both probably work with are just so exhausted by projects taking 2 years, and when we say we can just get you clarification on whether you should invest your time and money in a project in 4 days, it's not a hard sell at all. And when they see the results as well.
But you need to be, we're all about the outcomes, ready to make decisions. Like, the classic quote, nobody got fired for hiring IBM. So that's why we want to make sure that they got the right problem. And people are linking it to a business goal. This way, gets your stakeholders buying, immediately. They know why you run the design sprint, and what's, some possible outcomes. And with some minimal research, we try to ensure, the quality, right? We have a good start to the design sprint. That's it. And the speed, we work with one big bank and say, what we've done with them in 3 days, it took their innovation lab 10 weeks.
Yeah.
10 weeks. So that's, the ratio.
Yeah. Okay, the second question.
Maybe pretty quick, but you guys both do train-the-trainer programs, so you both do you run design sprints. So do you recommend to companies to hire you as external to run the design sprints as being someone from the outside? Or do you recommend they kind of train a trainer to train more people within the company? Setting aside your own financial considerations.
I'm guessing that it's maybe the same for both. We just have 2 sales, not even 2 sales funnels. We just have 2 products that we offer. And some companies are more attracted to do a sprint, solve our problem right now. And some companies are more we've been using them a bit, but we need to really train our people.
But do you recommend that it's people internally running it, or do you recommend that it's external?
Well, so we have, we do have company scale design sprints, so we teach them the process and then we train the trainers with them. But these people, still need practice. So they're asking us to come and coach them for the first design sprints. That's one scenario. And then the other one is when the stakes are too high, and you're working with the CEOs or their entire C-suite, an internal person is not, because it's biased, it's influenced by the brass in the room. So then it's not so good. So that's why when they actually ask us to